In the silent expanse of interstellar space, Voyager 1, Earth's farthest emissary, continues its journey. Launched nearly half a century ago, it now drifts more than 15 billion miles from home, a relic of the space age. On an otherwise routine day, Voyager detected something extraordinary, a faint, distinct signal pattern from a nearby object. This was no cosmic background noise or system glitch. It was new, unexpected, and electrifying. The data arrived at NASA's Deep Space Network, initially dismissed as a possible anomaly. But as engineers reassembled the data, a persistent, structured pattern emerged. Voyager's plasma wave system had registered a disturbance unlike any before, suggesting a sizable object was maneuvering through the void. The implications sent shockwaves through the scientific community. For decades, we've searched for signs of life far away, never expecting the first hint might come from our own backyard. The universe, it seems, had a surprise waiting for us, challenging our assumptions about the emptiness beyond our solar system. The journey to answer the question, what is out there, has just taken a thrilling turn. Voyager 1's story began in 1977, during a rare planetary alignment that allowed a grand tour of the outer planets. Alongside its twin, Voyager 2, it revolutionized our understanding of Jupiter and Saturn, sending back unprecedented images and data. After its planetary flybys, Voyager 1's trajectory, boosted by Saturn's gravity, flung it out of the solar system. In 2012, it crossed the heliopause, becoming the first human-made object in interstellar space. Voyager 1 is more than a probe, it's a time capsule. Attached is the golden record, a message in a bottle with sounds and images from Earth, meant for any who might find it. Today, Voyager 1 speeds through the darkness, its power fading, its instruments aging, but still reporting from the edge. Its journey is a symbol of human exploration, pushing boundaries, extending our senses into the unknown. Now it may have witnessed something that could change our perspective forever. The old probe's silent voyage has become the center of a new cosmic mystery. Its endurance is a testament to the vision and engineering of its creators. Voyager's legacy continues to grow as it delivers one more message from the stars. To grasp the significance of the detection, we must understand Voyager 1's tools. Its active instruments are specialized sensors, no modern cameras but devices for measuring magnetic fields, cosmic rays, and plasma particles. The key player is the plasma wave system, with two long antennas listening to the electric fields of plasma waves in interstellar space. For years, the PWS sent back a steady cosmic hum, until now. The recent signal was a sharp, clear deviation. Communicating with Voyager is an engineering marvel. Its faint signals take over 22 hours to reach Earth, captured by NASA's Deep Space Network. This global array of antennas ensures we never lose touch with our distant explorer. Despite 1970s technology and less computing power than a car key fob, Voyager endures. Its robust design and redundant systems have kept it alive in the harshest environment. That resilience is why Voyager could make a discovery that might redefine our place in the universe. Even after decades, its aging sensors still have stories to tell. The first sign of something unusual came as data bursts from the plasma wave system. NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, used to Voyager's quirks, quickly realized this was different. The signal showed a coherent repeating pattern, a localized source. The PWS registered intense plasma wave bursts indicating a sudden change in the surrounding medium. Most startling, the signal displayed a distinct Doppler shift, revealing the source was moving relative to Voyager. By analyzing the frequency changes, scientists calculated the object's trajectory and speed. The data suggested a sizable object, moving in a way not explained by natural forces in that region. It wasn't just drifting, the signal implied active propulsion or energy release. NASA engineers ran exhaustive diagnostics, recalibrating sensors and checking for malfunctions. After weeks of testing, the conclusion was clear. Voyager was working as expected. The signal was real, external, and coming from something moving in the dark. This was no ordinary anomaly. It was a major scientific event. The mystery deepened. What could move with such intent in the emptiness beyond our solar system? The first step, rule out the familiar. Could Voyager itself be the source? Engineers quickly dismissed this. Its trajectory and the plasma disturbance didn't match any known spacecraft signature. Next, scientists considered known celestial objects, rogue planets, comets, or asteroids. A cold, dark planet wouldn't generate this plasma wave signature. Interstellar comets like Oumuamua were plausible, but the object's behavior didn't fit. Unlike Oumuamua, which followed a gravitational path, This object showed pronounced structured velocity changes, far beyond what outgassing could explain. The region is too cold for such effects, and the object appeared to be navigating, not tumbling. Each natural explanation fell short. It wasn't part of Voyager, nor did it behave like any known natural object. The signal wasn't a glitch. After methodically eliminating the conventional, scientists were left with the unknown. The object remains unidentified, a true mystery. This careful skepticism is the hallmark of good science. The remaining possibilities, however remote, are now on the table. Scientists are now exploring more exotic natural explanations. Could it be a rare astrophysical object like a quark star or a strangelet interacting with the plasma in a new way? Or perhaps Voyager has encountered a turbulent region of interstellar plasma, with magnetic filaments or plasma knots moving in complex patterns. Such a discovery would be groundbreaking in itself. Yet, these theories struggle to explain the coherence and trajectory of a discrete maneuvering object. The data points, uncomfortably, towards something moving under its own power, a trait we associate with technology. When all conventional explanations are exhausted, science demands we consider the unconventional. The possibility of an artificial object, a probe or ship, can no longer be ignored. The evidence isn't definitive, but it's extraordinary enough to take seriously. For decades, SETI has listened for alien signals met only by the Great Silence. The Fermi paradox asks, if life is common, why haven't we found evidence? Voyager's detection challenges that silence, not as a deliberate message, but as a chance encounter. If the object is artificial, what could it be? An exploratory probe, an interstellar vessel, or ancient space debris? Each possibility raises profound questions about its creators and their intentions. Scientists approach this hypothesis with extreme caution, subjecting the data to intense scrutiny. The goal to falsify the artificial hypothesis before accepting it. Even if confirmed, the object is still billions of miles away. No first contact is imminent, but its mere presence would be a discovery of unparalleled significance. It would answer the question, are we alone? With a resounding no. Such a finding would transform our understanding of life in the universe. The search for answers has never been more urgent or more exciting. NASA has launched a global observation campaign in response to Voyager's discovery. The mission team is optimizing Voyager's power to keep its key instruments running as long as possible. Meanwhile, the world's most powerful telescopes, Hubble, James Webb, and others, are focused on Voyager's patch of sky, attempting to image the object. Radio telescopes are listening for any emissions that might reveal its nature. Detecting a radio signal would be conclusive proof of artificial origin. This unprecedented collaboration unites agencies and nations in a single quest. NASA is sharing updates and data openly, ensuring transparency and public trust. The world is watching as science pursues the truth, no matter how strange it may be. Voyager 1 has already secured its place in history, but this new discovery adds a dramatic final chapter. Its journey reminds us that the universe is still full of mysteries, and that even old technology can yield historic findings. Voyager's legacy is now about the vigil it keeps at the edge of the unknown. Whether the object is a new natural phenomenon or something artificial, the impact will be profound. If artificial, it would reshape science, philosophy, and our understanding of humanity's place in the cosmos. We wait and listen to the faint signals from our distant probe. Voyager, the little spacecraft that could, has given us a new cosmic puzzle. It has carried our dreams across the stars, and now, it has sent back a question from the edge of forever. As we point our instruments skyward, we wonder, has the universe finally answered? The search continues, and the next chapter is about to begin.